Hi all, welcome to Clear and Concise. Let's have a look at this question. Determine the maximum shear stress at a point where the state of stress under plane stress condition is sigma x equals to 300 megapascals, sigma y is 60 megapascals, shear stress is 50 megapascals. We know maximum shear stress is equals to radius of Mohr circle, that is equals to square root of sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square, that is equals to sigma x minus sigma y, that is 300 minus 60 by 2 whole square plus 50 square, that is 300 minus 60, 240 by 2 120, 120 square plus 50 square, which is equals to square root of 169 hundreds, that is equals to 130 megapascal. So the correct answer is option B, 130 megapascals.